Rooftop energy audits. Uncovering hidden efficiency opportunities above your head. Energy costs continue to rise, yet many facility managers overlook a crucial area during energy audits: the rooftop. This often neglected space can harbor significant energy waste through unauthorized equipment, poorly maintained systems, and overlooked inefficiencies. Why rooftop inspections matter. Your building's rooftop houses critical HVAC equipment, ventilation systems, and potentially other energy-consuming devices. Without regular inspection, these systems can operate inefficiently or even unnecessarily, driving up energy costs. Additionally, unauthorized equipment installations may go unnoticed, adding unexpected load to your building's energy consumption. Safety first. Preparing for your inspection. Essential safety measures include: 1. Checking weather conditions and scheduling inspections during clear, dry weather. 2. Using appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including non-slip footwear. 3. Following proper fall protection protocols and using safety harnesses where required. 4. Having at least 2 people present during the inspection. Conducting a comprehensive rooftop equipment audit. When performing your inspection, follow these key steps to ensure nothing is overlooked. Equipment inventory. Create a detailed inventory of all rooftop equipment, comparing it against your existing equipment list. Document any unauthorized or unexpected additions. Pay special attention to: 1. HVAC units and components. 2. Exhaust fans and ventilation equipment. 3. Satellite dishes and communication equipment. 4. Temporary equipment that may have become permanent. Efficiency assessment. Evaluate each piece of equipment for potential energy waste. 1. Check for air leaks around ductwork and equipment seals. 2. Inspect insulation on pipes and ductwork for damage or deterioration. 3. Verify proper drainage around HVAC units. 4. Look for signs of excessive vibration or unusual noise. 5. Document any visible damage or corrosion. Operating schedule review. While on the roof, verify that equipment operation aligns with intended schedules. 1. Note any equipment running unnecessarily during off hours. 2. Identify opportunities for schedule optimization. 3. Document any manual overrides that may be causing inefficiencies. 4. Documentation and follow-up. Proper documentation ensures actionable results. Photograph all equipment and areas of concern. Record model numbers and specifications for comparison with energy ratings. Note maintenance issues requiring immediate attention. Create a prioritized list of efficiency improvements. Document unauthorized equipment. Look for compromised building envelope integrity. Observe and document safety hazards from improper installation. Maintenance issues. Dirty or clogged filters reducing HVAC efficiency. Blocked condensate drains affecting performance. Loose or damaged belt drives. Deteriorated weather stripping or seals. After completing your rooftop audit, develop an action plan. 1. Address any immediate safety concerns. 2. Prioritize repairs based on energy saving potential. 3. Create a schedule for implementing improvements. 4. Establish regular inspection protocols. 5. Update equipment inventory and maintenance schedules. Conclusion. A thorough rooftop equipment audit can reveal significant opportunities for energy savings. By regularly inspecting and maintaining rooftop equipment, facility managers can ensure optimal energy efficiency, reduce operating costs, and extend equipment life. Remember that safety should always be the primary concern when conducting rooftop inspections, and don't hesitate to engage qualified professionals for complex assessments or repairs.